Hello, everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel today. Today, I have a job I would like to share with you from United Health Group, and this position is one of their partners, Optum. It's a customer service representative national remote job, and the main headquarters for this position is Dallas, Texas. This position is a full-time 40-hour week, Sunday through Saturday. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of our 8-hour shifts schedules during normal business hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It may be necessary, given the business need, to work occasional overtime. All telecommuters will be required to adhere to United Healthcare Group's telecommuter policy. The primary responsibilities for this job are respond to incoming calls from our customers on issues related to benefit eligibility questions and prescription status inquiries. You will guide and educate callers on their prescription benefit, use of plan, formulary, premiums, and status of orders and claims or inquiries. You will ask the appropriate questions and listen actively while documenting required information in their computer system. Identify issues and communicate solutions and steps to customers, pharmacies, and physicians with prescription orders and reorders. And you will make outbound calls to customers on prescription orders and payment issues. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an environment that will challenge you and give you clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. Required qualifications: high school diploma, GED, or higher, or equivalent work experience. Familiarity with computer and Windows PC applications, which include the ability to navigate and learn new and complex computer systems applications. Preferred qualification: 1+ years of experience in a related environment, office, administrative, clerical, customer service, etc., using phones and computers as the primary job tool. Telecommuting requirements for this job: required to have a dedicated work area established that is separate from other living areas and provides information privacy. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure, if applicable. Must live in a location that can receive a United Health Group approved high speed internet connection or leverage an existing high speed internet service. You must be able to connect directly into the internet by way of hard wire, either directly to a modem or a router. Soft skills: demonstrated ability to listen skillfully, collect relevant information, build rapport, and respond to customers in a compassionate manner. Careers and at Optum, their objective is to make healthcare simpler and more effective for everyone. With our hands at work across all aspects of health, you can play a role in creating a healthier world, one insight, one connection, and one person at a time. California, Colorado, Connecticut, Nevada, Washington, or New York City residents only. The salary range for California, these states, are $16 to $27.31 per hour. is based on several factors, including but not limited to education, work experience, certifications, etc. In addition to your salary, United Health Group offers benefits such as a comprehensive benefit package, incentive and recognition program, equity, stock purchase, and 401k contribution. No matter where or when you begin a career with United Health Group, you'll find a far reaching choice of benefits and incentives. United Healthcare's diversity statement is to they create a healthier atmosphere. United Health Group is an equal employment opportunity, affirmative action employer, and all qualified applicants will receive consideration for employment without regard to race, color, religion, sex, age, national origin, protected veteran status, disability status, sexual orientation, gender, identity or expression, marital status, genetic information, or any other characteristic protected by law. So, United Healthcare Group is a drug free workplace. Candidates are required to pass a drug test before beginning employment. Once you have created an account, if you do not already have one, you'll come to this page where it says, Welcome, you are signed in. And this will be your dashboard. From here, you will fill out, you'll have your attachment first. You will fill out the About You, general information, skills and profile, which is probably college, job profile, education and experience, EEO data, EEO disability, EEO veteran status if you have one, e-signature, and then you will review and submit your resume. And then you can save and continue, or you can save as a draft. So I'm saving mine as a draft. So I want to take you over to the other jobs that they have available. I put in customer service here, and I put in the United States in the last 7 to 30 days. So here we go. It's Optimum, which is partnered with United Healthcare, and they have many customer service jobs available here. Some have sign-on bonuses. One has it of 750, and then they have others that you might run into that have $1,000 sign-on bonus. And you can click through them and see if you see anything of interest to you. And if you find this information today helpful, please give my video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time or you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell so that you will get notified of more job opportunities. And thank you once again for coming here today and listening to my video. And have a great rest of your day.